Hi children, welcome back to online English classroom. Last class we discussed the topic articles. What did we learn? Which are the articles? Yes, they are a and the. What are they? A and the. And these articles are used before noun. Before a noun. A is used before a consonant sound, while an is used before vowel sound. We use a or an when we speak of someone or something for the first time. Then, what about the? We use the when we mention someone or something for the second time. We also use the before some proper nouns such as mountain ranges, rivers and oceans. Is it clear? Yeah. We use the before one and only one thing. For example, the sun, the moon. So all these things we have already discussed in our last class. So let us do an activity from our textbook. Okay. So we have to use a or an here. First one, dash head. Dash head. Which one? Yeah, here. A. Dash and. Dash and. Here, vowel sound. So we use and. Dash fox. Yeah, very good. A fox. And dash owl. Yeah. Vowel sound. So an. And dash table. T is consonant sound. So a. Dash ice cream. See, I is a vowel sound. So an. Dash eagle. A is a vowel sound. So again an. And similarly dash boy. Dash boy. B, a consonant sound. So a ball. Dash god. Yes, very good. A god. And last one, dash aunt. A is a vowel sound. So an. So very good. So let us move to the next exercise. Look at the words a and the in these sentences. Tick the correct ones and cross the wrong ones. First question. He eats the egg for breakfast every morning. Is it right or wrong? Yes, it is the wrong one, and so there is a cross mark. Father told me a story last night. Is it right or wrong? Father told me a story last night. Yes, it is right. So put a tick mark there. Third one, he swam across an Indian Ocean. An Indian Ocean. Is it right or wrong? Yes, it is wrong. Why? Because Indian Ocean, it is a proper noun and we have to use the. So put the cross mark. Fourth one, Maharashtra is a state. Yes, it is true. So put a tick mark. Fifth one, Sarah gave me an yellow dress. An yellow or a yellow? Yes, it is a yellow. So it is a wrong one. An is a wrong one. So put there a cross mark. Next one, section C. Complete these sentences with a, an or the. First one, India is dash big country. Yeah, it is A. Second one, Sharon is dash dancer. Sharon is a dancer. Third one, where is dash bird? I can't see it. Where is the bird? And fourth one, are you dash doctor? Are you a doctor? Fifth one, dash principal gave away the prizes. What we have to use there? We have to use the. The principal gave away the prizes. The principal gave away the prizes. Next one, section D. Look at the picture and complete the paragraph with a, an or the. So you can see a picture below and question. There is a pretty fountain in the middle of the garden. There are benches on both sides of dash fountain. There are beautiful lamps next to dash benches. There are swings on one end of dash garden. Next to the swing is dash sand pit. There are some toys in dash sand pit. Someone must have left them there. So what's the answer? There is a pretty fountain in the middle of the garden. There are benches on both sides of the fountain. Because what's the reason? This fountain is used for the second time. There are beautiful lamps next to dash benches. Next to the benches. What's the reason? This benches is also used for the second time. There are swings on one side of dash garden. Here also the garden, because garden is also used for the second time. Next to the swing is dash sand pit. Here sand pit is used for first time, so we use A. There are some toys in dash sand pit. What will we use there? A sand pit or the sand pit? Yes, it is the. What's the reason? Because sandpit is used for the second time. So my dear children, these are the exercises you have to do from this lesson. You have to do page number 18 and 19 of this lesson. I also attached another worksheet related to this topic. So do it also and file it with you. Okay? So see you on next day. Thank you.